chief guest of this workshop, Mr. Mohammad Shafiul Alam, Cabinet Secretary of Bangladesh Government. Respected Chair of this session, Mr. Bijoy Bhattacharjee, Additional Secretary, Coordination Wing, Cabinet Division, and he is the ultimate representation of CRVS Secretary as well. Respected Professor Dr. Mudassir Ali, ex-advisor to the Prime Minister, Health and Social Welfare. Respected Mr. Sheikh Mujibur Rahman, Project Director, Birth and Death Registration Project, Ministry of Local Government and Engineering, Government of Bangladesh. Mr. M.A. Mubin Khan, Managing Director of EATL. Sonayat Gebrik Ziabar, the Country Director of Plan International Bangladesh, distinguished guests, and the participants of this workshop. I would like to welcome you all in this very, very good morning. So today we have to understand first why we are here. There are lots more stakeholders are here, stakeholders from the birth registration project representing the local government, stakeholder from the Bureau of Statistics, stakeholder from the health. These are the main stakeholders of CRVS. This means there is the civil registration and vital statistics. So everybody, every stakeholder of the government actually maintaining this registration project. The local government is maintaining. Again, the same task is repeated by the Health Ministry. The same task is repeated by the Bureau of Statistics and lots more stakeholders of the government. So this is not only the initiatives of this country, rather than this is the initiatives of the whole world by UNESCAP. UNESCAP is actually taking the leadership, and they actually wants to eliminate this sort of duplications and make all those data in a single platform so that everybody could have the right information in the right place and right time. So CRVS is civil registration and vital statistics. From the birth to death, everybody's information will be collected to a single place and disseminated these vital statistics through Bureau of Statistics or the Planning Ministry, and the benefits will be distributed among all the ministries. All the repetitive tasks, all the duplicative tasks, all the resources, duplicative resources utilization of the government will be eliminated. So that is why actually we are here. And Plan International is very, very willing to work in this area because this is a child protection organization. And the child protection actually begins from the registration process of birth. So that is the starting point. So being a child protection organization, we are working with government. I would like to thank CRVS Secretary, especially Cabinet Secretary and other government organizations. The PD of Birth and Death Registration Project is also there. They also welcome us a lot, and we have started our journey since mid of this year, that is July from this year, and expected to be completed this study by March of next year. This country, that is the planning of education, planning of health, planning of other issues, development issues in our country. As I told you just now, the birth registration is the first step of the legal protection. Without having it, we cannot ensure the legal protection. The extent of the registration process using some technologies, and our unique point is using the COMBI approach with the coordination of the government, and finally we will be deploying this phase. So right at this moment, from mid of this year till March next year, we will be working on this analysis phase. The first phase actually we are working phase. That is not a project, that is simply a study that will strengthen CRVS Secretariat to work in this area And again, in this technical analysis phase, we have three distinct and separate phases. First of all is the as-is analysis phase. Secondly, we have technical feasibility assessment phase. And third one is the program blueprint. So we'll be discussing these three once again. This as-is analysis. From July of this year till now, we are working on the technical analysis phase. Under this technical analysis phase, I told you we have three different stages. The first one is as-is analysis. Just now we have completed the as-is analysis. Under this as-is analysis, we have 10 research areas. To complete these 10 research areas, we have done already more than 3,500 household surveys in 14 districts. We have completed 14 focus group discussion at the grassroots level, that is participating the community level, the field level government officers and the stakeholders, the partner NGOs and the community representatives as well on the supply side of this registration process. To cover the demand side, actually we will use internationally reputed the COMBI model, Communication for Behavioral Impact. Findings of this process under the as-is analysis phase. Thank you very much. Thank you once again and very, very good.